A proud member of McDonald's Kiddie Crew. Workshop Bootcamp Edition. Do solemnly promise to always give my best effort in everything I do. I will practice the good habits and positive attitudes I've learned as a Kiddie Crew member. I will strive to be diligent, responsible, respectful, and friendly. Above all, I will choose happiness, spreading smiles to everyone I met. With every step, I will proudly say, love ko to, love ko to, love ko to. Ayan po. Yan lang po. Salamat. Pwede na po tayo umupo.